What's up, guys? Today is Monday. You know what that means? Joe's All-Star Tool Monday. Joe's out here. Tropical storm Cristobal's hammering down, so let's go see what Joe's got today. Maybe he's got a storm special. Who knows? Let's go. How are you now?
Hey guys, how y'all doing today? As we all know, I don't have no makeup artist before we do this. It's just whatever I am off the streets here.
That's the tropical storm wind blown hair today.
Man, rain and everything. It does feel a lot better. I mean, humidity went down a lot. I hope we get rain up where I live. We could use some.
Oh, it looks like it's going all the way to Chicago the way the weather shows.
Yeah, but where I live, I hope we get a good day's soaking at least. Hope you all had a good week. I know I did. First, we're just going to hit a couple of these bucket of cash here. So, what we got first? We have Alan Mahan. We got one for him. We have Rudy Dela Cruz. We have 3 for this young man here.
Well, he spent some money.
Mr. Rudy.
Nobody loves you or your money no more than Mr. Joe.
Now, what I am do is get right tools and Mr. Scott Ross.
Uh-huh.
So what we're going to do is we're going to start with Milwaukee. They all like Milwaukee. I thought I was grabbing a backpack.
Yeah.
I pulled it out and I go, contractor bag. That's a contractor bag. So it's got pockets all on the inside. It's got pockets on the outside. It's a contractor bag.
Yeah.
They're $40. So I got a couple of these.
All right.
So as I'm digging around, look what I found. Cornwell tools. What is it? What do you think?
I guess a big old bag, what it looks like.
Well, this here is a collapsible big old cooler. It will hold 36 cans, 8 pounds of ice, and of course you got a couple handles for a couple guys to carry out. But when you go on your trip somewhere, it folds up all nice and neat. Doesn't take up a lot of room like a big cooler does.
Yeah.
But as you can feel, Clay, it's pretty thick. It'll keep stuff cold a good long time.
Yeah.
$50. I have one of these. Good heavy zipper on it. $50. I have one.
One and only.
One. We have for the new antifreeze, the AYF.
Yeah, the 1, 2, 3, 4
gauges. Now this is the brass setup. They do have aluminum setup, but this one here I have for 180.
Okay.
Now you can get the aluminum setup, but you're talking $300.
Okay.
Get you all the hoses, all the fittings, everything you need. Is keeping up to date with all the new stuff, and that stuff's expensive. I mean, you pay for it by the gram. So we have this here, 180. We have.
Everybody was asking how much them was, and I didn't ask, and now I got in trouble. Everybody got upset because I didn't ask how much them was when we showed them last week.
Oh.
So now we're gonna have to tell how much are they.
Okay. And you know, I keep going on this, but I can't find it on my phone how to do that. But let me just
like I say, these are the new ones, guys. They're the 350 lumen, and they work kind of like, which I bought one of these. I actually bought a red one, and then I found my green one. I think the green one here, this one's like $250. I got it, you know, off the Matco truck, but it's the same thing. But you pull it back, you plug it in, light turns green, she's ready to go, and they're nice. You turn them on, You double click them and that's what kicks them into high gear. These are the 350 lumen Streamlight Stylus Pro USBs. And how much are they?
Okay. They've gone up a little bit. I was telling everybody 85, but they've gone up 92, but I got them discounted to 82 bucks. Now, I have one in black. I have one in green. A few people wanted blue. I got a couple blues. Okay. I had more, but the blues have gone. I went through 2 blues on my way here.
There you go.
So I'll get more blues in. More people want blues, but I have 2 for guys that were interested in blue.
Okay.
I have one guy that has 2 called for as well, which I had for him as well. So 2 blue, 1 black, 1 green. They're all the 350 lumen. They are incredible.
They are.
Everybody talks about the big old Easy Red, and it extends.
Yep.
So you got your cheater pipe with you when you need it. Fits in your toolbox drawer, nice and easy. 3/4 inch drive, and these hold up. I got them at Thompson CAD. I got them in heavy duty truck shops. They hold up. If you find a way to destroy them, I replace them. They got a lifetime warranty. They're Easy Red. 161 bucks.
$161.
And you got the part number right here.
There you go, guys. Well, it looks like you got a bunch of good stuff today.
Well,
so, if anybody wants anything that Mr. Joe's got, his phone number is 731-412-7295. Shoot him a text. It'll take him 3 or 4 times. Don't get upset. It's always 3 times. Joe's a guy of 3s. I think he's got OCD. And he's just like, oh, that's the 2nd time I'm not going to answer him. That's not OCD. What is that? Yeah, I guess that is OCD, maybe.
You know, you get this out, I'm still working, you know, it's just...
Alright, guys. Thank y'all for watching like always. Check the links in the description.
Thank you, guys. I do appreciate it. See you on the flip side.
Got cool tools, discount codes, all that good stuff. If you want some merchandise, it's over here. Hit that thumbs up. Click that subscribe button. It don't cost you a penny to subscribe. It's totally free, and that way you'll always get the newest, latest, greatest stuff we got. If y'all want anything, give Joe a call. See ya.